Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in a child's pose. Open your knees wide, place a little pillow underneath your belly as you lower down, and you can just rest your forehead or your chin on the backs of your hands. Begin to take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. With every inhale, you want to fill your belly and your body up with air. And with every exhale, you completely release the air from your body, relaxing a little bit more. Relaxing your feet and your toes, your hips. Maybe you open your legs a little bit more. Relaxing your shoulders. Let's press up into a tabletop position, coming onto hands and knees. And you can remove that pillow. Cow pose. Arch your back as you look up at the ceiling. In cat pose, round your spine. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Back to your cow pose. And cat pose as you keep your spine rounded, sending your hips back onto your heels. Now shift forward onto your forearms and press up into a cow pose. Again, cat pose. Round your spine all the way back. Shift forward onto the forearms. And press up into a cow pose. Come back to tabletop as you straighten your right leg behind you, keeping that foot flexed. You just rock gently front and back, opening up the back side of your leg. Switch legs. And now let's have a seat. I'm gonna sit in a cross-legged position, but you can sit however you feel comfortable. Lean your torso to the right. And now forward, and to the left, and back, round your spine. Take that body circle one more time. And now switch directions. Come back to center as you take some shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Interlace your fingers as you stretch your arms forward, pressing the palms forward. Lift your arms up, drop your head back. And now press your palms forward, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, reach up and back. And press forward, round your spine. Reach up and back. And press forward. Lower your hands, coming into a forward fold. And just sway gently from side to side, releasing any tension you might feel in your back or your shoulders. Slowly rise back up. Circle your arms around and up, touching at the top. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Right hand to left knee, looking over your left shoulder. And now bring your chin to your right shoulder, stretching your neck. And chin back to your left shoulder. Reach your left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Lower your left hand to your right knee. This is going to stretch your upper back and your shoulders. Let's circle our arms around and up, touching at the top, and twist to the right. Bring your chin to your left shoulder, and back to your right shoulder. Reach your right arm up and over for a side body stretch. Bring your right hand down to your left knee to stretch your shoulders and your back. Reach your arms forward, coming into another forward fold, relaxing your upper body and taking deep breaths. And we slowly rise back up, straightening both legs out to the side, coming into our straddle. Let's come down onto our forearms for a little forward fold, but if you want to go deeper in this stretch, you can straighten your arms. Walk your hands over towards your right leg, straightening the arms as you just fold over that right leg. And walk your hands over to the left. And we slowly come back up, closing our legs in front of us. Reach your arms up overhead and forward fold. Relax your upper body, relax your legs. Let's come onto our back, and you just hug your knees into your chest. Lower your legs over to the left for a stacked supine twist. Make your way to the other side. Come back to center as you extend your legs up towards the ceiling. Relax your arms and just flex and point your feet. Flex your feet as you pull your legs closer towards you. Let's end class in a butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together, knees far apart, and you can rest your hands on your belly as you take some deep breaths. Take one more inhale in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.